Created specifically for women, Venus Factor addresses weight loss in a unique approach that involves both diet and exercise. The program was developed by John Barban and lasts for 12 weeks. According to Barban, it is the level of leptin in the woman's body that is directly responsible for their ability to lose weight. However, because they typically try to diet like men, these levels are often thrown off, which means they are doing more harm than good. So Barban created what he calls the metabolic override, MOR, which he contends to work so well that a cheat day is therefore allowed. Dieters using the Venus Factor program will likely lose weight if they can stick to the program. The program requires a good amount of extreme exercise and a diet plan that cannot be deviated from. Therefore, any dieter who expects long-term success will have to remain true to the Venus Factor. The Venus Factor is a digital product. That means that there are no hardcover books or DVDs sent to a dieter buying the program. Instead, everything is offered online. While some view that as an advantage in that they get it now, others might not like the fact that they have nothing physical to own. In addition, the workouts that the Venus Factor requires can be very difficult. Those who are new to the world of fitness may struggle. The same goes for the restrictive diet. However, any straying from the formula will make results so-so at best, which could lead to quitting the program altogether. The Venus Factor program is all over the internet these days. At a cost of just under $50, it does seem like there is a lot that is offered for the price. In fact, there are a number of websites that prominently promote the Venus Factor program. However, when you look closely, you'll see that the main website of the Venus Factor offers an affiliate program. So that leads to believe that much of the praise associated with these sites is due to the fact that they get money from Venus Factor when their visitors buy their system. As a matter of fact, they get a 75% commission. While the diet may work to some degree for women, it still might not be worth buying. There are many other comprehensive programs on the market today that also offer guidance in both diet and fitness, but don't rely on paying other websites to promote them. Stay up to date with my latest health and weight loss videos. Make sure to subscribe. So click here. Also, if you found this video helpful, please like it. See you soon.